Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week we're going to see how far a FTX Outback Mini 3 can go on a single battery. So I've started a stopwatch on my phone which is going to be running the whole run. We'll check in every so often. The little truck is still completely stock, so no mods, just as FTX intended. I charged the battery on the way to the test site where it was connected straight to the truck without being sat around, just to give it the best start. The truck was run flat out more or less all the time, only stopping briefly for dog walkers, or more specifically the dogs, where the truck was picked up so the dogs didn't take off with it. We can probably take a minute or two off the final time to compensate. I should probably also mention that this is a bit of a quickie video. I try and get outside and wander around at least once a week, especially if it's nice out, and this week I haven't prepared anything else for a video, so I thought I'd see how far this little truck will actually go. Anyway, I'm going to let the video run for a bit, so I'll be back once we reach the summit. Go to the left. No, you to the left. And there we go, we're up at the top. I think the grass took its toll, but it's still running. We're way past where I expected it to give up the ghost. It's been over gravel, which is quite a challenge with the small wheels, some hard packed dirt, and the mentioned grass. A couple of the climbs were steep enough to get some wheel spin, so it's fairly varied. At the end point we can see the green and usually pleasant land that is England. At least it all looks rather nice from a distance. Plus there was a couple of RC gliders catching some slope lift, which was also nice to see. Anyway, time. We're at 45 minutes, which is getting on for around twice what I really expected. Remember, the battery is just a 520 mAh 1S LiPo. Most impressive. Unfortunately, we're not going to find out the actual runtime as I had to get back home and the truck isn't exactly speedy. So while it's not fully scientific, we can safely say the battery does last a very long time. Anyway, hopefully next week we can do something with a bit more to it. So for now though, that's going to be it. As always, thanks for watching. Like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment if there's something on your mind. Bye guys.